What's up guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope. Alright, what's up guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. Today we are leaving to Bakel and we are on time, almost on time. 5 minutes late, that's okay.
Dreaman, morning buddy. Wow.
See, actually Chaitanya is good. Because of him, I am ready. 7:59 he should be ready. 8:03, chalo, it's okay, discount.
Yeah, but then you always forget something, so that'll like add like another.
No, there is a big karikramam I have to do. I have to do something very important. Stomach clear nahi hua abhi bhi. Arey, only in this trip it's happening good because my diet is a little.
This is after Mahabaleshwar.
No, Mahabaleshwar was fine. My diet in this trip has messed up a little bit. Upar niche hua, so I think because of that, these stomach issues are going on. Let's see. 3 kilometers from here, 3 kilometers from here, we have washrooms. Hopefully, that should be our savior. Packed everything, getting our stuff ready, hot water and all that. Bakel is around 6 hours from here. 280. Around, I think 200 kilometers. I'll give a proper update once I get onto the bike. For now, let's go have some breakfast. I will take all the luggage. We'll get ready and get out. This is amazing, bro. Suju is ready on time.
Usually, this is the time that he wakes up from his bed.
Yes, when we all are ready with our gear. Please, please.
Good morning guys, कैसे हो?
Seriously.
Every time we have to go order for him and sit. Actually, there is a lot of place here. They could have allowed our bikes. Could have parked it here somewhere. I think they wanted to maintain that environment friendly or something. No pollution, no bikes and all that. But their car is coming till here. How much will you rate this place to stay? Genuinely? Overall experience, food, everything. Sab mila ke.
7.5. But you have to be in the right
mood.
mindset. Yeah, the mood.
Correct.
Like you want to get away from like city life.
See, we got used to so much of city life.
Not like, I think the biggest restriction or reason why we wouldn't stay here is because you have to be back here by 5.
Correct. And wherever you want to go from this place, it takes at least 2 hours to ride. One side.
Yeah.
Good places. You start at around 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. You have to be back by 4 o'clock at least. One of the best places to explore here is that Chembra Peak. Unfortunately, that is closed due to this stupid COVID. Are you gonna come back again?
There's so many other places we haven't seen in India. We have to do Ladakh, Spiti,
Ladakh. We have done Ladakh. This guy didn't do Ladakh. ఏదమ్మా ఇక్కడ రాస్తుంది సమ్మన్ ఏదో ఉంది సారీ 100
అరే వెనకాల రాస్తుందిరా ఫుల్
వర్క్ హార్డ్ ప్రైస్ హార్డ్ 2 wheels 4 wheels 5 wheels 100 wheels అన్నీ వస్తాయి bikes are all safe, all good. Let's take our luggage, load it and let's get going.
How's the Josh? Sorry, how's the force?
You're talking about that. For now, manageable.
Man, beautiful weather.
I told you, bro, we have 2 slots, okay? Morning, after 3 o'clock. Morning, miss ho gaya. People are not understanding what we are talking.
This is actually
washroom, very good. Washroom. Yeah, this is very clean.
Okay.
And that was a proper morning workout. Let's go. Don't forget you have panniers. Wow. Wow. Quite some traffic here for a Sunday. I think this is our last hill station. There was like a lot of traffic, like heavy traffic while coming down of the ghats. I couldn't even switch on the camera. And oh, by the way, I'm pretty sure you guys are watching this. I've seen you guys there standing for me, at least 20 to 30 people. Thank you so much. It really felt so good looking at you guys. That too waiting for me, taking your time. That's really amazing. But then I was heavily loaded. Pizza, there were like trucks and all that. I couldn't stop. I couldn't take out my hand because it was a guard turn. You guys were standing at the guard turn, right? I was not comfortable taking my hand to wave to you guys because of that turn. And even to stop there was like a lot of traffic behind me. Samne se there was like a jam. Later I thought I'll go Samne and stop, but then we were getting late as well. Once again, sorry guys, I couldn't stop. But thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If it is just a solo ride, maybe I would still go Samne and stop, but we are a group and we don't want to get late. Apart from that, not everyone in my group is very comfortable meeting COVID situation, all that. So I hope you guys understand, right? Beautiful.
Hello everyone.
How was the ride, Saju?
अरे ट्रैफिक भरा हुआ बोरिंग
This is how it's gonna be. Our average speed was literally 50 kilometers per hour from the start. The top speed I've seen today is
72.
Is it? I've seen 65 or something
It's in 72.
max. The reason for that is, I think because Kerala is a long state, it's a narrow state. All the civilization is in the center. Everything is like jam-packed. The whole road since the time we started, it's all like this. A single lane.
Full
here
traffic.
and there, full traffic. Here and there, you have little bit divider like this,
You cannot.
which you cannot use to overtake. Okay, we have done exactly 60 kilometers from the room. 3 hours, 18 minutes left. 143 kilometers to go. But the thing is, the pace is going to be like this, 50 kilometers average pace. That is the reason. I think we can't raise Google's time this time. Hydrating ourselves, and I'll also have some protein shake. How is it? One shot. Are you allowed to have so much? There's sugar in it. Rishan.
Ingredient is there, no?
One more. 36 degrees. Properly 36 degrees. Seriously, November. I'm feeling a lot of heat on my legs. Our average speed is like 25-30 kilometers an hour since the last 10-15 minutes continuously. Straight you go to Kannur and Mangalore. This is Mangalore route. Oh, sea coast. How's the heat? 36 degrees. Did you ever experience summer in November? Like mid-November? November 22nd, and it's like crazy hot. Our bikes are showing 36, 37 degrees. Seriously? Charan, how is your radiator?
Hot.
Just like the temperature around. I don't know what is this restaurant. We randomly saw it and we stopped for having our lunch. Kishore and Shujan were having chicken biryani. I thought you got your tiffin box.
I'm not interested.
I really like the lighting here. Perfect for vlogging. మా సుజు తింటలేదని చాలా మంది టెన్షన్ పడుతున్నారు. చికెన్ బిర్యానీ, మటన్ బిర్యానీ. కిషోర్ దాచి పెడుతున్నాడు. డోంట్ హైడ్ కిషోర్, కమ్ ఆన్, బీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్.
హైట్ చేయాల్సి హైట్ చేయి.
హైదరాబాద్ బిర్యానీ లాగా ఉందా?
పులావ్.
Because biryani is made in Hyderabad. It was born in Hyderabad. I don't know if it's born in Hyderabad, but you get the best biryani only in Hyderabad. I heard Lucknow ka biryani is also good. Not as good as Hyderabad biryani. Remember Lucknow biryani? It was sweet thoda.
We need to go to Lucknow and have that.
We had in Lucknow, dude. Hey, UP. Don't eat too much, guys, because we need to ride in this heat, 36 degrees. We shouldn't be sleeping.
Feels like 56.
Seriously, feels like 56. 56 kale, atyodu. Feels like 40. I just kept my helmet here. I had my helmet fell and you can see some scratches here. I'm not sure if the GoPro is working fine or not. Just leaving and I met, what's your name? Akshay. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Right side view too. So apparently there's a small scratch on the lens of this GoPro, and unfortunately GoPro 8 we can't remove this lens to replace it. So I'm expecting there'll be a little bit of a distorted image. I'm not sure. Let's see. That's a lovely subscriber I met. Exactly 90 kilometers from here to reach the resort we're staying in Bekal. Weirdly, this distance of 90 kilometers to Bekal is gonna take us 2 hours. Can you imagine 2 hours for 90 kilometers? So let's get going. Goa feels. Proper Goa feels. Chalo, I think I'll see you directly in the room. Okay? Tata. Okay, this is a place called Taj Bekal, one of the best resorts I've ever seen. I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't see it properly yet. We just checked in, but coming from the gate till here, I could understand it's a very beautiful resort. And this is one of the main reasons we wanted to come to Taj Bekal. A lot of people told us to visit this place because it is really amazing. Trust me, it is like proper resort tour and room tour. Definitely check it out in my next video because today I'll not be doing that. We'll be just chilling a little bit in the room. And there is not actually much to explore in Bekal except for the Bekal fort. Okay, we are here at Taj Bekal and we came here to have our dinner. Suju is not eating anything at all. Look at his plate. The fourth or fifth time he's gone to the section there. Sharon is enjoying his desserts. Kishore is giving dishti to Chaitanya. But me and Chaitanya are very diet conscious right now. He's having his grilled fish and me a beautiful looking grilled chicken.